Good afternoon to all the students. In today's Zoom class, we have done exercise 5.1. Today, I am going to explain today 12th question. Find the values of x, y, and z. This is the given figure. Look at this figure carefully. There is 55 degree and there is angle x. You have to find angle x, y, z. Angle x is equal to angle, they are actually vertical opposite angles, and 55 degree and x are vertically opposite angles. So angle x is equal to 55 degree by vertical opposite angles. Next is, now take this line segment like this, this is also 55 degree. Now x plus z is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. The sum of two angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So x plus z is equal to 180 degree. Here x is 55 degree. So 55 plus z is equal to 180. I will take out 55 on the right hand side. 180 minus 55, it means 120, and 120 is z. So y is also 120 because they are also vertically opposite angles. So angle y and angle z are 125 degree and angle x is 55 degree. Now second part of question number 12. This is the given figure. 40 degree is given, 25 degree is given, and you have to find angle x, angle y, and angle z by using vertical opposite angles or linear pair or any other property. For example, angle z is equal to 45 degree. They are linear, they are vertical opposite angles. Look at these two angles. Z and 40 degree are vertical opposite angles. It means value of z is equal to 40 degree. Now let's move to this line. This is a straight line, or is straight line पे there are three angles, 40 degree, x, and 25 degree. On a linear, on a line, there are the sum of all three angles will be 180. It means 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. एक straight line पे दो या दो से ज़्यादा angles का sum हमेशा 180 होता है. तो यहाँ there are three angles, so the sum of three angles will be 180. इनमें से in the 40 degree and 25 degree are given. I will add these two angles. I will take these two angles on the right hand side. 180 minus 65, answer will be 115. So x is equal to 115. Look at this line again. There are y and z below the line. It means the sum of these two angles will be also 180. इसमें से एक एंगल गिवन है which is z. Z is equal to 40 degree. I will put the value of z, y as it is, plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So y की वैल्यू हो गई 180 minus 40, 140 degree. So x is equal to 115 degree, y is equal to 140 degree, and z is equal to 40 degree. Answer. Now 14th question, last question. 13 you will do in book. It's a book part question. 14th question is name the pairs of angles. Angles बताने हैं. This is the given figure in your book. First is obtuse vertically opposite angles. Students, you have to find obtuse भी होना चाहिए और vertically opposite angles भी होना चाहिए. Like this. ये for example I am showing you angle AOD. This one AOD. ये हमारे पास ऑप्ट्यूज भी है. क्यों? मोर देन 90 है. ये रहा 90 डिग्री एंगल. दिस इज मोर देन 90. इट मीन्स इट इज ऑप्ट्यूज एंगल. एंड सेकेंड एंगल इज BOC. दिस इज BOC. अगेन इट इज ऑप्ट्यूज एंगल, एंड दिस एंगल is vertically opposite angle to this. Both angles are vertically opposite angles and they are obtuse as well also. Second part is adjacent complementary angle. Adjacent means आपस में जिनका common vertex, common arm हो. Complementary means they will make 90 degree angles. Look at the figure. For example EOA and AOB. EOA and AOB, these both angles are adjacent because they have common vertex and common arm, and they are making together complementary. ये दोनों मिल के complementary means 90 बना रहे हैं. अगर इन दोनों को ऐड करें तो ये 90 डिग्री एंगल बन रहा है. They are complementary and they are adjacent also. Next is equal supplementary angles. It means equal and supplementary. Equal भी होने चाहिए और supplementary भी होने. Supplementary means उनका sum 180 डिग्री हो. It means BOE. This is BOE and EOD. Look at the figure. BOE is also 90 degree and EOD is also 90 degree. It means they are equal. Both these two angles are equal, and 90 plus 90 180. It means supplementary also. So equal and supplementary, both conditions are fulfilled. Next is unequal supplementary angles. अब angles unequal भी होने चाहिए और उनका sum 180 भी होना चाहिए. For example, EOA first angle, EOA second is EOC. जब इन दोनों को ऐड किया तो दे आर मेकिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड दे आर अनइक्वल. ये छोटा है 90 से एंड इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 90. इट मीन्स दे आर अनइक्वल एंड दे आर मेकिंग 180 सप्लीमेंट्री ऑल्सो. लास्ट पार्ट इज एडजेसेंट एंगल्स दैट डू नॉट फॉर्म लीनियर पेयर. ऐसे एडजेसेंट एंगल्स जो आपस में लीनियर पेयर ना बनाते हों क्लास. इसमें बहुत सारे आंसर्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज कोई भी, यू कैन राइट एनी वन आंसर. AOB एंड AOE. लुक एट दिस, AOB and AOE, they are adjacent but they do not form linear pair. Linear pair means 180 नहीं बना रहे हैं, they are making 90. ये 90 बना रहे हैं, adjacent भी हैं और they are making 90. they are not forming 180 linear pair. और AOE और EOD, look at this, AOE and EOD, they are also adjacent angles but they are not forming a straight line, they are not forming a linear pair. EOD or DOC, EOD and DOC, they are again adjacent angles but they are not forming a straight line, so they are not linear. We have completed exercise 5.1 today. Thanks, that's all for today.